Sometimes light just isn't good enough. Offices, corridors, and halls demand quality, flexibility, and convenience. LEDVANCE offers a solution. The new Downlight Comfort Range Generation 2 combines top quality with smart technology for every space.
The Downlight Comfort Generation 2 comes in two variants, the UGR version and the Opal version.
This gives you the choice to select the right fixture for the right application. Multicolor allows to change from 3000 to 4000 Kelvin to set the right atmosphere and brightness for each situation. The Downlight Comfort Generation 2 offers great flexibility, easily replaceable rings. It is also suitable for mounting on the ceiling with the surface frame. And in combination with the external emergency unit, we can take advantage of all flexible options within office spaces. Additionally, the choice between a dolly version or an on and off version is easy to recognize by the drivers. And all drivers are equipped with the twist and lock connection, which increases installation convenience. Each luminaire is equipped with a switch to change the color temperature between 3000 or 4000 Kelvin. Installation has never been so easy. External driver with twist lock connection and through wiring for installation convenience. Perfect for offices, corridors, and halls. Always the right light, exactly where you need it. Available in Dolly 2 and Zigbee 3.0 for smart light management. Expandable with emergency lighting or style adjustments using accessories. LEDVANCE Downlight Comfort Generation 2. Light that fits every space. Discover the possibilities today.